For recipe notifications, do not forget to subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon. Well, there are various reasons why food would generically be left over. You've had a party in the house, you've cooked in surplus, or kids or your husbands or wives or spouses have eaten and come home. Well, one ingredient that is generically cooked in surplus is rice. Well, today I have a recipe which is quick fried rice, and the best part is it uses not more than 5 ingredients. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Well, the star of this recipe is actually going to be the flavored oil. What I've done is I've made a flavored oil using chilies, garlic, star anise. You can use various ingredients. You can use spring onions, you can use black pepper. Just flavor the oil so that it gets that nice Asian flavor out. In this case, what I've done is taken some chili flakes, garlic and star anise. 2 to 3 tablespoons of this oil. Well, you can also throw in some fried garlic and star anise. Allow this to heat on high flame. Well, any flavored oil stays perfectly well if it's bottled well for a minimum of 30 to 45 days. So do that, keep it well so that all your Asian recipes become nice and quick. To this, I've added some nice fresh prawns. Well, in recipes like these where you're generally tossing up rice and things like that, do not really bother about the size of the prawns. Make sure they're nice, tiny, but nice, flavorful and fresh. Allow these to cook on high flame till they're almost well done. While cooking these tiny prawns, you'll realize that initially they release a lot of moisture. We need to dry that moisture out completely, and in the bargain what happens is the prawns get nice and flavorful. All the chili oil kind of wraps around the prawn. The next ingredient that would go in is the leftover rice. Time to add in the leftover rice. This rice, of course, an earlier night has been cooked with water and salt. Let's add this in. Along with this, I'm adding in soy sauce. Well, you can choose to add in dark or light depending on what you prefer. You can also choose to add in fish sauce or nampla. Remember the fact that all these ingredients that I've just mentioned have its own quantity of salt. Let's add in boiled sweet peas for the nice and vibrant green color. And the last thing is to toss this up well. A quick few tosses on high flame, and with this, your prawn fried rice, using of course leftover rice, is done and ready. So as promised, that's a quick, easy and simple prawn fried rice. Trust me, you don't need anything to accompany this, but Shezwan would do the trick. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Get Curried.